Nadula. Okay, but what I gotta do? What I gotta do?
Y'all popping off,
Mary Kay. Get it? Plucktabulous. That's it. Y'all better be a blessing to be a blessing.
You can shine with this.
I like that. Yeah, you forgot to do it. I didn't tell you to do that.
What time I run mine?
Oh, it's very pretty. Because you running late for your meeting. Come on now. Y'all see that lace? I don't either. Bam. Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay, coming to you with another slay. As you can see from my layout I got going on right here, we're gonna be doing a wig today. We're gonna see if we can slay us a slayalicious wig. Now I'm not all the way ready, as y'all know that, but I'm gonna be bringing you a super slay. I hope. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna get into this slay real quick today, but you know what I gotta do first. I said, you know what I gotta do first. What I gotta do. What I gotta do. Y'all know I gotta show love to my subscriber of the day. Y'all know that, bro. You the bomb. Y'all listen, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I need you to join the family and join the fun. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Y'all, we pushing 300K. We was just pushing 200K. Come on, like y'all popping.
Y'all popping off,
Y'all better be a blessing to be a blessing to be a blessing. All right, y'all. So, Nadula oblongata. Package size, Nadula. Okay, let's see what's off up in this box. Ooh, I got my edge presser downers. This is when you trying to get your edges to be ignorant and you do your swoopadooks and you just gotta hold them down like this for about 5 minutes. You put this on, but you gotta have the right edge control. And y'all, I found, oh my gosh, I found the best. I'm not finna mix products. I'm not finna talk about it in this video, but I got y'all. Or when you are applying your adhesive for your wig and then you gotta set it like this, you gotta set it for about 5-10 minutes before you run out the door because you running late for your meeting. You can have that on in the car though. Once you park and stuff and you get ready to get out the car, don't forget now that you got this on your head, see, because then you're gonna be upset with me. Why she tell me to do that? I forgot, ran up in the meeting late with this thing on my head. I didn't tell you to do that. I said to take it off after you pull into the parking lot, okay? Yeah, you forgot to do it. I didn't tell you to do that. A wig cap. Now let's see this wig, y'all. I'm gonna just introduce the wig and then I'm gonna see if I can slay it, see what we can do with it. Oh, it's very pretty. This is Brazilian hair, 5x5 closure wig, which I love because they're so easy to slay. Because it's only 5 inches of lace and 5 inches back, which gives you a nice parting space. Not as long, obviously, as the 6 inch, but it gives you a nice 5 inches of parting space, which gives you still a very nice long part. And it's only 5 inches of lace this way. So you don't have to worry about lace all over here and you got to pluck all of this right here. If you pluck anything, it's just gonna be from here to here. Bam. You done. You done.
You done, kid.
And oh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. It's nice and soft. Let me show y'all. This is the closure that I was talking about, the 5x5. That part is nice, as you can see. Yeah, that's real nice. That's a very nice part, Nadula oblongata. And this is supposed to be HD lace. There we go. Bam. Ooh, come on. Come on now. Y'all see that lace? I don't either. Come on, Nadula. Y'all doing it like that? Okay, so this is the 5x5 HD Swiss lace wigs, breathable, 180% density, curly wigs with baby hair. Their reviews are really nice, y'all. I'm on their website right now and I'm just looking. This is a natural black. The cap size is average. So if you real small or real big, so this is the thing. If you want your part to be somewhat in the middle, you could just put it on as is the regular way. But if you know you want a real deep side part, you have to put it on to the side. It has 3 combs and an adjustable strap. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. Here's your 2 combs. Your 3rd comb is back here, off up in the back. It has the adjustable strap right there. Okay, so that's the inside. I'm gonna just throw it on real quick before we get to slaying and filleting. Oh, that is actually a nice fit. I'm just putting the combs in up underneath that wig grip because it gives it even more security. Oh yeah, this is nice and secure.
You can shine with this.
Y'all, I am in these lights in this sweater and I am hot. Hold on, let me just cut this lace real quick. If I don't have you these alligator clips, get you some. I got them in my Amazon store. I swear by these little things. Now, you could do some more plucking. It's pre-plucked, but it's just not plucked to the heavens. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can see they took a little bit of the weight off.
But time I run mine.
They ain't really do it like that, honey. So I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna just make this a little bit less of like a straight line going across. I'm gonna just make it a little bit more plucked. You don't have to do this, y'all. Now, that's just a little bit. That's just a little bit. You see how this is more of a line like this? My hairline does not do that naturally. My hairline just does its own thing, and it can be ignorant at times. So I want my wig to reflect that. You see how it's more jagged right there? And I just did literally probably about 60 seconds of plucking just to disturb that straight line. That's nice. That's good right there. You see? Just that little bit, and we done made it a little bit more realistic. Just that little bit. We done made it a little bit more realistic. So I'm gonna go through with my fingers and just get that hair out. I like running my fingers through curls because it makes it look like super beachy. Yeah. I ain't mad at this at all. Just a very little bit of hair that I plucked out. That's all I needed to, you know, get it plucked tabulous. That's it. Yeah. This is super breathable, y'all. This is very breathable. This is not like, you know, plastered on your head. And I like that because it's finna get hot, especially in North Kakalaki.
It's about to get his hot.
And I don't have time for it. But yeah, I like that. I like it. I like it. I like it. Definitely workable. Okay, y'all, let's work it then. Nadula, make sure you check out the information in the description box so you can get your hands on this. All right, let's do this.
Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday. Wouldn't hold it against you if you say that you don't wanna get close to me, close to what we used to be. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling the groove? Oh, baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like yesterday. Don't you feel it? How it feels, baby. Won't you love me? Oh, but kinda new way. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda